Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 16 Plus and let me show you how to force restart of this device. So if your iPhone is not responding, if it's frozen and you cannot switch it off in a normal way, you can force restart by tapping on volume up, then volume down button, and then just press and hold the power button. So let's do it. Volume up, volume down, and then power button. Keep holding. Still hold till you see Apple logo. So now you can remove finger from power button and wait till your Apple is rebooted. It may take up to 1 minute. Should be less, but just keep waiting until it's done. And that's it. Now just unlock your device and use it in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.